how to verify right to work on Seek Pass. If you want to verify right to work on Seek Pass, it is fairly quite simple for us to do so. What we can do for this is we can go ahead and then launch the Seek Pass app, and this is the interface that you will be able to see. Now, to verify your right to work, go to this tab at the top that says Work Rights, and there you can see this Verify Your Work Rights Plus. So you can just tap on this option. You can select Verify Your Work Rights for if you're in Singapore, New Zealand, or whatever. You can tap on Right to Work and tap on the Verify button. You can choose this citizens over here, and whatever else it is, you can start a verification, and you will need to simply choose your document right there. And when you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then tap on the different questionnaires and just enter your document number to go ahead and then verify your right to work. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.